Hey guys, I was just going to show you guys some more Zippos that I have. These two I believe are my oldest Zippos, I'm not sure, but they're definitely very old. This one's pretty cool. It's for like, I guess the Cummins engine. I don't know. This one's pretty cool too. This one's definitely old. It's for CB radio operator. This is pretty unique, I think. I don't know. American Embassy in Paris. I don't know if this was like a custom or if it actually came from there. I don't know. I buy them Zippos like all over the place. So like garage sales, antique malls, places. So you know, I really don't know what the story is on that. It's kind of cool though. Just a claim. I don't know. Weird Zippo. This one's all messed up. I know I have a copper Zippo somewhere, but it's not any of these. But I do have a copper Zippo. Here's the Budweiser one. This one's pretty cool. I don't know if that C on the bottom means that this part is copper or what. I don't know. Anyways, there's some more of my Zippos. Just thought to share them with you. Kind of cool. These ones are really cool though. These are the oldest ones, I think.